Click on the link below to get price. The Brother SE700 Combo 2-in-1 Embroidery and Sewing Machine is a versatile addition to the toolkit of both novice and experienced crafters. Combining both embroidery and sewing functionalities, this machine aims to simplify the creative process. With an emphasis on user-friendly features, it presents an opportunity for individuals to explore their sewing and embroidery projects with ease. At the heart of the Brother SE700's design is its user-friendly interface. The machine boasts an LCD touchscreen display, which facilitates easy navigation through various settings and options. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may not be familiar with advanced sewing machines, as it allows users to select from a multitude of built-in embroidery designs and sewing stitches effortlessly. Additionally, the machine comes equipped with 80 embroidery designs, offering a wealth of inspiration for creative projects. These designs can be customized further, allowing users to create unique patterns that reflect their personal style. One of the standout features of the Brother SE700 is its dual functionality. The ability to transition seamlessly between sewing and embroidery makes it an attractive choice for those looking to streamline their crafting process. Users can switch from adding intricate designs to finishing seams without the need for multiple machines. Moreover, the machine includes a variety of sewing feet, enhancing its versatility for different projects, whether it be quilting, home decor, or fashion sewing. Setting up the Brother SE700 is designed to be straightforward. The machine comes with a comprehensive guide that provides step-by-step instructions, making it easier for users to get started. Additionally, the built-in needle threader and drop-in bobbin system contribute to a smoother sewing experience, minimizing common frustrations associated with threading and bobbin management. In conclusion, the Brother SE700 Combo 2-in-1 Embroidery and Sewing Machine offers a robust set of features tailored to meet the needs of various sewing enthusiasts. With its dual capabilities, extensive design options, and user-friendly interface, it serves as a reliable tool for those eager to explore their creativity. Whether one is embarking on simple sewing projects or intricate embroidery designs, this machine has the potential to support a variety of crafting endeavors, making it a valuable addition to any sewing space.